Hi, I'm Jake. I've seen you around here a few times. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Mia. I work here as a waiter.
Nice to meet you, Mia. You must be really busy with this job. How do you manage your daily routine?
Dear friends, welcome to Improve English Pro, where we share tips and tricks on how to learn English faster and easier. Discussing about your daily routine is a great way to practice your speaking skills, as well as to learn new vocabulary and grammar. By talking about what you do every day, you can express yourself in a natural and authentic way and can improve your pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. So stay tuned and watch this video until the end to improve your English rapidly.
Scene 1. Discussing daily routine. Hi, I'm Jake. I've seen you around here a few times. What's your name?
Hi, Jake. I'm Mia. I work here as a waiter.
Nice to meet you, Mia. You must be really busy with this job.
Well, it's not easy, but I try to balance everything.
How do you manage your daily routine?
I usually wake up at 6 a.m. and get ready for work. I have a quick breakfast and then take the bus to the restaurant. I start my shift at 7:30 a.m. and work until 3 p.m.
Wow, that's a long shift. Do you get a break in between?
Yeah, I get a 30-minute break around noon. I usually eat something at the restaurant or go to a nearby cafe.
That sounds nice. What kind of books or music do you like?
Sometimes I read a book or listen to music to relax. I like romance novels and pop songs. They make me happy and hopeful. What about you?
I work at a bank as a banker.
You must have a lot of responsibilities with this job. How do you manage your daily routine?
Well, it's not easy, but I try to be organized and efficient. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. and get ready for work. I have a healthy breakfast and then drive to the bank. I start my shift at 8:30 a.m. and work until 5 p.m.
Wow, that's a long shift. Do you get a break in between?
Yeah, I get a 1-hour break around 1 p.m. I usually eat something at the bank cafeteria or go to a nearby restaurant. Sometimes I read a report or check my emails to catch up with work.
That's awesome. You're very smart and ambitious. What do you do after work?
I usually go to the gym or hang out with my friends. I like to stay fit and social. Sometimes I watch a movie or play a video game at home. I go to bed around midnight.
That's cool. You're very talented and adventurous. About me, I like to draw and paint. I have a sketchbook and some paints that I use whenever I feel inspired. I also like to travel and see new places. I have a bucket list of destinations that I want to visit someday.
That's awesome. You're very creative and adventurous too. Maybe we can join each other on some of our activities someday.
Yeah, that would be great. I think we have a lot in common. Can I have your number so we can keep in touch?
Sure, here you go. I'm glad we met. You seem like a nice girl.
Thanks, you seem like a nice guy too. I'll call you later. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Scene 2. Daily routine discussion between professionals. Hey Bob, how are you? I am meeting you after such a long time.
Hi, Alice. Yes, it indeed has been long. Sorry, I just have been busy with my schedule these days.
Oh really? What's your schedule like?
I usually start my day with a cup of coffee and some light exercise. How about you?
I start my day with a healthy breakfast and a quick jog around the park.
That sounds refreshing. What do you do next?
After my jog, I take a shower and get ready for work.
I see. I usually start working from home around 8:30 a.m.
That's early. Do you take breaks during your workday?
Yes, I take a short break every hour to stretch and rest my eyes. I also have lunch around noon.
I usually have lunch at 1 p.m. I find that a short walk after lunch helps me stay focused in the afternoon.
That's a good idea. I usually have a cup of tea in the afternoon to keep me energized.
I prefer coffee over tea. I usually have my second cup of coffee after lunch.
I wrap up around 5:30 p.m. I like to unwind with some music or a book after work. I usually order in. Cooking isn't really my thing.
To each their own. Do you have any evening routines?
Yes, I often go out for a walk in the evening. It helps me relax.
Well, I also do some yoga in the evening. It helps me stay fit and relaxed.
That sounds nice. What do you do before bed?
I usually read a book or watch some TV before bed. It helps me unwind.
I actually meditate before bed. It helps me sleep better.
That's interesting. I should try meditation sometime.
Yes, it's very helpful. Well, it was nice discussing our daily routines.
Yes, it was. It's interesting to see how different our routines are.
Indeed, it is. Let's catch up again soon, Alice.
Okay, friends. It's time for some fun English practice. You will be asked a question or a statement about a common conversation in a family setting. You should first try to come up with a response that is suitable for that question or statement. We will then show you an appropriate response from our end. Remember, the motive is not to get the perfect answer, but to get you in the practice of speaking out a response for common questions in a daily life setting. Let's go.
What do you want to do today?
I want to go to the library and borrow some books. Do you want to come with me?
How about we go to the park?
That sounds fun. I'd love to go to the park and enjoy the fresh air. What time do you want to meet?
Do you want to play a game or something?
Sure, I'm in the mood for a game. How about we play some cards or chess? I have a deck and a board here.
Let's have a picnic today.
Great idea. I think a picnic would be nice. We can pack some sandwiches, fruits, and drinks.
That sounds good.
I'm glad you think so. I'm looking forward to it.
Can you help me with this homework?
Of course, I can help you. What do you need me to do?
Do you need any help with that bag?
Yes, please. It's very heavy. Can you carry it for me?
I can help you with that if you want.
Thank you, that's very kind of you.
Are you okay? You look tired.
I'm okay, thanks. I'm just a bit tired from work. I had a long day.
What's wrong? Is everything all right?
Well, not really. I had a fight with my friend.
I'm sorry to hear that. That must be hard.
It is. I feel hurt and betrayed. I don't know how to fix things.
I'm here for you. You can talk to me anytime.
Thank you. That means a lot to me. You're a good friend.